Hey guys, want to get something really sexy for your wife for Valentine's Day? Get on your knees with a scrub brush. We'll be right back. Welcome to the Pirate Handyman, where we teach you how to become self-sufficient and save some coin for your treasure chest. If you dig what we're doing and want to join our crew, hit that subscription button down below. And if you hit the ship's notification bell, you'll be notified every time a new tip comes out. So today what we're going to do is we're going to rehab some grout on floor tile. Now we're going to do this with just common household stuff that you should have already in your pantry. Vinegar, baking soda, and water. So let's get started. We're going to start out with the paste, and this paste is 1 part water and 3 parts baking soda. So you just mix that all together, and then what you do is just take it with your fingers and you're just going to push it into the grout. Just do a little section here. And what you want to do is get it pushed down so that the baking soda goes into the grout, because the grout's going to be very porous unless you've recently sealed it. And then you take a mixture of 1 part water, 1 part water to 1 part vinegar. Now this is going to create a chemical reaction between the vinegar and the baking soda. So what you do is you just spray it on there. Now you can see that it's bubbling. Now we're going to let it sit and bubble for a little while. Probably take about 2 or 3 minutes. So now we're just going to take a nylon bristled scrub brush and just go down into the grout. Give it a little bit of elbow grease. And then you just take some warm water and a sponge, or you could use a mop, and just wipe this out. Now we can see we've got one little spot here, and this is where the grout has come out, so we're going to want to put a little spot of grout right there, and then we're going to let it dry for about 48 hours and then put sealer on it. And that's all there is to it. So thanks for joining us here on the Pirate Handyman. We hope you dig what we're doing, and if you want to join our crew, hit that subscription button down below, and the ship's notification bell will notify you every time we come out with a new tip. Here's to smooth sailing.